Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys another fun flavor of TIROL choco that you guys can get from Daiso, for example. This is Daifuku flavored TIROL choco, and these kinds of things are usually these bag ones that are these specialty flavors. They're usually available sometimes at Daiso. This is actually not a Daiso select one, but I did happen to buy it at Daiso. But I know that the grocery stores will have them too sometimes. So there's this kind of, if you're familiar with this, it's a kind of like a bean paste inside there. And it's supposed to kind of be similar to that in some way. So I thought we could kind of open up here and see what it's like. There's a mochi kind of like chewy gumi that's supposed to be like the mochi on the outside. Then there's a little bit of chocolate and vanilla chocolate on top too. So let's give it a try here. This bag is about 100 yen, and inside you get 7 pieces of chocolate. And you can kind of see here, this is one of them. And it's just got the name there on top and the little design, and tells right here on the side usually the flavor. So I thought it would be kind of fun to see what it's like here. Some of these can be really good, and sometimes they kind of miss the mark. We'll see what this one's like, because I'd like it to be good. Let's see. That's what the inside looks like. You can see that gummy part there that gives it the texture and the feeling of it being sort of like a Daifuku. It was really good, I thought. You know, it has a good flavor to it. Definitely kind of a fun, unique thing. So if you're going to be around and you want to get some kind of a fun, unique snack, these are always great. And they don't cost that much, so you can get a bunch of them for people. They make kind of a fun little gift, I think. So definitely something to kind of check out if you guys are visiting. And yeah, I'll have some more things like this to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.